Hello everyone, it's Super Easy Math. In this video we will talk about solving quadratic equation of the form x squared minus sx plus b, where s is the sum of the two roots and p is their products. So let's see how can we do that. X squared plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. To solve this equation we have to write it first in the product form. So something in parentheses multiplied by other parentheses equal to 0. Because here we have x squared, then we will have x here and x here. Now we have to find these two numbers here. I will call them a and b. So to find a and b, just look at the coefficient of x, it's 9, and the constant here, which is 20. So look for two numbers whose product is 20 and sum is 9. We have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. So 1 plus 20 is equal to 21, so these are not a and b. We should have their sum is equal to 9. 2 plus 10 is equal to 12, so it's not our pairs a and b. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, so these will be our pairs a and b. So we can say that a is 4 and b is 5. X plus 4 times x plus 5 equal to 0. You can check it also, so multiply x times x equal to x squared, x times 5 equal to 5x, 4 times x equal to 4x, and 4 times 5 equal to 20. So we will get x squared plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0, which is the original equation. Now, when we write it in the product form, all what we will do is either x plus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Subtract 4 here, so we will get x equal to minus 4 or x equal to minus 5. So this will be our root of the equation. X squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So as we did before, we will write it in the product form. Because here we have x squared, so it's x here and x here. And here we have a and b that we will find them. Now to find a and b, just look for two numbers whose sum equal to minus 2 and the product equal to minus 15. Product equal to minus 15, we have minus 1 times 15, 1 times minus 15, 3 times minus 5, and their opposite, minus 3 times 5. Now which of these pairs is a and b? We should check their sum. If it is minus 2, then it will be our pairs. So minus 1 plus 15 equal to 14. 1 minus 15 equal to minus 14. 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Then this will be our pair a and b. We can say that x equal or a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 5. You can check it also by expanding. So x times x equal to x squared, x times minus 5 equal to minus 5x, plus 3 times x equal to plus 3x, and the plus 3 times minus 5 equal to minus 15. So x squared minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0, which is the original equation. Now to find the root, we will say that x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3 or x equal to plus 5. X squared minus 17x plus 30 equal to 0. So x plus a times x plus b equal to 0. Now to find a and b, search for two numbers whose sum is minus 17 and the product equal to plus 30. Because the product is positive and sum is negative, then A and B should be negative. Because minus 1 times minus 30, so their product is positive and their sum is negative, as we need. So we have minus 1 times minus 30, minus 2 times minus 15, and minus 3 times minus 10. If A and B are both positive, we will get, for example, 1 times 30. If we add them, we will get a positive sum, and here we need a negative sum. So for that reason, A and B should have negative value. So let's check which of these two pairs has sum equal to minus 17. So minus 1 minus 30 equal to minus 31. Minus 2 minus 15 equal to minus 17. So A equal to minus 2 and B equal to minus 15. Now either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 15 equal to 0. So x equal to or x equal to 15, and these will be our roots. X squared plus 5x minus 14 equal to 0, so the product form x plus a times x plus b equal to 0. Now to find a and b, search for two numbers whose sum is plus 5 and the product equal to minus 14. Because product is negative, then a is negative and b is positive, or vice versa. So we have minus 1 times 14, 1 times minus 14, minus 2 times 7, and 2 times minus 7. Now which of these pairs have sum equal to plus 5? Minus 1 plus 14 equal to 13. 1 minus 14 equal to minus 13. Minus 2 plus 7 equal to plus 5. So we can say that a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 7. So x minus 2 times x plus 7 equal to 0. Let's check it. So x times x equal to x squared. X times plus 7 equal to plus 7x. Minus 2 times x equal to minus 2x. And minus 2 times plus 7 equal to minus 14. So x squared plus 7x minus 2x equal to plus 5x. Minus 14 equal to 0, which is the original one. Now the last step is either x plus 7 is either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 7 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 2 or x equal to minus 7, and these will be our roots. Hope it's clear. Goodbye.